Now let us see how to georeference a topo sheet in QGIS. So just go to raster and select here georeferencing tool. If the georeferencing tool is not available, just go to plugins and select here manage and install plugins. So these are the all plugins available in QGIS. You can just type the name of the plugins and install it. So this is the install plugins. These are the not installed plugins. So in raster the georeferencing tool is available. So we'll click over here. Now to add a layer, just go to add raster layer option. Select the topo sheet. So our topo sheet has been added. Now this is the topo sheet number and this is the scale. This is the pan option where you can move the topo sheet. This is the zoom in option where you can zoom the topo sheet. This is the zoom out option where you can zoom out. This is the add control points option. This is the delete point option. Now in topo sheet you can see the coordinates are in degree minutes. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis, where x-axis is called as latitude and the y-axis is called as longitude. So 79 degrees 0 minutes is the coordinate of latitude and 21 degree 15 minutes is the coordinate of longitude. So the coordinates are in degree minutes. Now we will have to convert this coordinate from degree minutes to decimal degree. So there is a formula, that is degree plus minutes divided by 60 plus seconds divided by 3600. So we'll just go to Google and type here calculator. Now we'll convert the first coordinate, that is 79 degree plus minutes are 0 divided by 60. Seconds are also not available, so we'll take at 0 divided by 3600. So our x coordinate is 79. Now for the y coordinate, that is 21 degree 15 minutes. 21 degree plus 15 minutes divided by 60 plus seconds are not available, so we'll take it at 0 divided by 3600. So our y coordinate is 21.25. So to georeference it, just select here add point option and mark the first GCP point. GCP stands for ground control points. So our x coordinate was 79 and our y coordinate was 21.25. Select here EPSG 4326 WGS 84. So our first GCP point has been marked. Now we'll mark the second GCP point. First of all we will convert it. So our coordinate x coordinate is 79 degree 15 minutes and our y coordinate is 21 degree 15 minutes. 79 degree plus 15 minutes divided by 60 plus seconds are 0 divided by 3600. So our x coordinate is 79.25. Now for the y coordinate, degree is 21 plus minutes are 15 divided by 60 plus seconds are 0 divided by 3600. So our y coordinate is 21.25. Now mark the second GCP point. So our x coordinate was 79.25 and our y coordinate was 21.25. Now mark the third GCP point. Now here the 79 degree 15 minutes is the x coordinate and 21 degree 0 minutes is the y coordinate. So our x coordinate is 79.25 and our y coordinate is 21. You have to apply the same procedure for converting it from degree minutes to degree decimal. Now we will mark the last fourth point, zoom it. So x coordinate is 79 and our y coordinate is 21. Now we have marked all the 4 GCP points. Just go to settings and select here transformation type as polynomial 1, resampling method as nearest neighbor, target SRS as EPSG 4326 WGS84, select the output raster, that is the folder, name the file as georeferencing, and the save type will be TIFF, and select here load in QGIS when done. Now click over here, select GCB point table. Now here you can see the residual pixel are same and the error should not exceed than 10. So to georeference it, you can select over here, or you can go to file and select here start georeferencing. So the georeferencing is under procedure. So we have georeferenced the topo sheet. Discard it. Now here you can see the topo sheet has been georeferenced and the coordinates have changed. As you move towards the first point, you can see the coordinates. So this is how you can georeference a topo sheet in QGIS. Thank you.